Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ensure Diabetes Care Powder. To prepare a serving, first measure 6 level scoops of the powder. Next, add 200 milliliters of cold water into a glass or shaker. Stir the mixture thoroughly until all the powder is completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth and consistent drink, ready for consumption. It's a simple and quick process to get your nutritional support. For the best experience and nutritional value, it's important to consume your prepared Ensure Diabetes Care drink right away. If you have any unmixed powder remaining, store it properly. Always keep the container in a cool, dry place and make sure the lid is tightly closed after each use to maintain freshness and prevent moisture from getting in. Before incorporating Ensure Diabetes Care into your routine, it is always wise to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. Remember not to exceed the recommended daily serving, as more is not necessarily better. Also, please note that this product is intended as a supplement, not a complete meal replacement. To get the most out of Ensure Diabetes Care, mix it with water rather than milk, as this is how it's formulated for optimal benefits. Using a shaker bottle can help achieve a perfectly smooth consistency without lumps. For comprehensive health, integrate this supplement into a well-rounded and balanced diet plan, ensuring you meet all your nutritional requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.